Hi everyone, Sherry here.
Today, I'm participating in a collab that Jim from Jim's Kitsch Kitchen is hosting. The collab is hashtag macattack. So before I go any further, I want to tell you a funny story. True story, sort of. Maybe a little exaggeration. So Jim, he put out a poll to see what everybody wanted to do a collab on, and he gave several options such as mac and cheese, bananas, cornbread, Kool-Aid, and I think there was a few others. So I put in my vote, and so Jim texts me back and he says, well, he says the majority voted for mac and cheese. I said, mac and cheese? Wait a minute, not cornbread? He said no. He said the people voted, and the majority of the vote was mac and cheese. But wait a minute, wait a minute. So the people didn't vote for Kool-Aid? And then Jim said, I said the people wanted mac and cheese. All right, Jim, you win. Mac and cheese it is. So today I'll be making pineapple cornbread topped oven baked mac and cheese. And actually, I want to clear up, we actually didn't get into that big old major discussion. We just texted back and forth in a very respectable manner. So what all goes into the pineapple cornbread topped oven baked mac and cheese? That's a mouthful. We need 2 boxes of mac and cheese. As you can see, I have the box of bones. It is not expired, but I did buy it after Halloween. And you'll need all of the ingredients to go with it because we will be making this as per package directions. And of course, I'm going to be doubling everything because I'm doing 2 boxes instead of 1. So I'll be using 4 tablespoons of butter, 12 cups of water, and a half a cup of milk. We'll also be needing 2 boxes of jiffy corn mix and the ingredients that goes with it as well. And again, I'll be doubling it because I'm using 2 boxes. So 2/3 cup milk, 2 eggs, and then in the mix, we'll be fixing the cornbread as directed, except we'll be adding the dry powder of 2 packages of pineapple Kool-Aid. You can use whatever Kool-Aid you want, but I wanted something that wasn't going to be really out there like cherry or strawberry. I wanted something that would go with mac and cheese and cornbread. So let's begin. Spray an 11 by 7 pan. Take a large saucepan, put 12 cups of water in the pan. And we're using 12 cups because we are making 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. So we're going to cook these Cheetos mac and cheese box of bones as per package directions. Most of you should know how to cook pasta. I'm not going to show you how to do that. So I'll put it on the burner and start boiling that. While our macaroni is doing its thing, we want to make the cornbread and have that set aside waiting. So take your 2 boxes of the cornbread mix. All right, one thing that I am changing from what I said in my ingredient list, I'm going to add 1/3 cup sugar. And why am I going to do that? Well, I almost bought a sweet cornbread and I thought, well, no, the Kool-Aid's going to be sweet. I don't need to do that. Well, unsweetened. I'm going to add my 2 packets of unsweetened pineapple Kool-Aid and the 2 eggs. So add your 2/3 cup milk and mix that until thoroughly incorporated, but don't overmix. Once thoroughly mixed, set it aside until we're ready to use it. Preheat the oven to 375. After 9 minutes, my macaroni is done. I'm going to drain it and I'll be right back. So I drained it, but I did not rinse it. Put it back in the pan. Immediately stir in the 4 tablespoons of butter. There's some ribs. You want to get this nice and buttery. So add the Cheetos cheese mix to the macaroni. And along with that, the 1/2 cup of milk. And stir that all in until thoroughly mixed. So take your 11x7 pan, spread out your macaroni. I'm going to take an ice cream scoop and scoop my cornbread on top. And I'm going to make this just like a cornbread. I'm not going, I didn't bake it and break it up. I'm going to just spread it out. I just hope this tastes good. And you can probably use whatever flavor Kool-Aid you want. Like I said, you probably wouldn't want to use strawberry or cherry or blueberry or really strong flavors. Lemon lime would be good, maybe orange. And then I'm going to spread that out. So put your pineapple cornbread oven mac and cheese in a preheated 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cornbread is done. So thanks again, Jim, for hosting this #macattack collab. It was a lot of fun. So here is the pineapple cornbread topped oven baked mac and cheese. And rounding out the meal is air fryer smoky barbecued pork chops. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Is this cornbread?
It is. It is pineapple cornbread topped oven baked mac and cheese.
That made my head hurt. It's cheesy tasting.
It has pineapple Kool-Aid in the cornbread.
Oh, that's interesting because it kind of tasted pineapple-y.
That'd be why.
So pineapple Kool-Aid in the cornbread.
Yes. I just used the Kool-Aid powder.
Oh, this is good.
Yay, I was worried.
Oh, I like it. I like it a lot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.